I bet you didn't know intermittent fasting has become increasingly popular in recent years. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. This is not about what you eat, but when you eat. Many find it easier and more sustainable than traditional diets. Intermittent fasting is not a fad diet. It has been practiced for centuries. Our ancestors often went long periods without food. Their bodies adapted to thrive in these conditions. Today, many turn to intermittent fasting to lose weight and improve health. It is flexible and customizable to fit individual needs and lifestyle. We will explore the science, methods, and benefits of intermittent fasting. We will also address potential risks and considerations. Intermittent fasting works by changing the way your body uses energy. When you eat, your body breaks down food into glucose, which is used for energy. Excess glucose is stored as glycogen in your liver and muscles. When you fast, your body uses up its glycogen stores for energy. Once glycogen stores are depleted, your body starts burning fat for fuel. This metabolic shift is known as ketosis. Ketosis has several health benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, and reduced inflammation. Fasting also affects insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. When you eat, your insulin levels increase to help your cells absorb glucose from the bloodstream. When you fast, your insulin levels decrease. This allows your body to access stored fat for energy. Intermittent fasting, therefore, promotes both fat burning and improved insulin sensitivity, two key factors in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Let's delve deeper into another fascinating process activated during fasting: autophagy. Autophagy is a natural cellular process that is essential for health and longevity. The word autophagy literally means self-eating. It is the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells, much like taking out the trash. During autophagy, your body identifies old and damaged cell parts and breaks them down for recycling. This process helps to remove toxic proteins that can accumulate in cells and contribute to aging and disease. Intermittent fasting enhances autophagy. When you fast, your body is under mild stress. This stress triggers autophagy as a survival mechanism, allowing your body to conserve energy and repair itself more efficiently. Increased autophagy has been linked to a wide range of health benefits, including reduced inflammation, improved brain function, and a lower risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. There are many different ways to do intermittent fasting. Some popular methods include 16-8 method. This method involves fasting for 16 hours each day and eating all of your meals within an 8-hour window. For example, you might skip breakfast and eat your first meal at noon, with your last meal at 8 p.m. 5-2 diet. This method involves eating normally for 5 days a week and restricting your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. Eat, stop, eat. This method involves fasting for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. For example, you might eat dinner on Sunday night, then fast until dinner on Monday night. Alternate day fasting. This method involves alternating between days of eating and fasting. On fasting days, you would consume very few calories, typically around 500. The best method of intermittent fasting for you will depend on your individual preferences, lifestyle, and goals. It is important to experiment with different methods to find one that you can stick to consistently. Intermittent fasting offers a wide range of potential health benefits, including weight loss. By reducing your overall calorie intake and promoting fat burning, it can help you shed those extra pounds and belly fat. Improved metabolic health is another significant advantage. Intermittent fasting can enhance insulin sensitivity, lower blood sugar levels, and improve cholesterol profiles, which in turn reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Another benefit is reduced inflammation throughout the body. This is crucial because inflammation is a key driver of many chronic diseases. Additionally, intermittent fasting can enhance brain function. It increases the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and survival of brain cells. And finally, there's increased longevity. Studies in animals have shown that intermittent fasting can extend lifespan. More research is needed to determine if these benefits translate to humans, but the initial findings are certainly promising. One of the most well-documented benefits of intermittent fasting is weight loss. By restricting your eating window, you naturally reduce your calorie intake without feeling deprived. This calorie deficit forces your body to tap into its fat stores for energy, leading to weight loss. Beyond weight loss, intermittent fasting significantly impacts metabolic health. It improves insulin sensitivity, allowing your cells to use glucose more efficiently. This leads to lower blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, intermittent fasting improves cholesterol levels by lowering harmful LDL cholesterol and increasing beneficial HDL cholesterol. This improvement in your cholesterol profile contributes to a healthier heart and reduces the risk of heart disease. Intermittent fasting doesn't just benefit your body, it also impacts your brain. Studies show that it enhances brain function by increasing the production of BDNF, a protein crucial for brain cell growth and survival. This boost in BDNF can improve memory, learning, and cognitive function. Moreover, research suggests that intermittent fasting may contribute to longevity and disease prevention. Animal studies have shown that fasting can extend lifespan by promoting cellular repair and protecting against age-related diseases. While more research is needed to confirm these benefits in humans, preliminary studies suggest that intermittent fasting may lower the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer, heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, and Parkinson's disease. This potential for disease prevention makes intermittent fasting an attractive strategy for healthy aging. While intermittent fasting is generally safe for most people, there are some potential risks and considerations to keep in mind. First, side effects. Some people may experience side effects when they first start intermittent fasting, such as headaches, fatigue, dizziness, and irritability. These side effects are usually mild and tend to go away within a few days to a week as your body adjusts to the new eating pattern. Second, it's not suitable for everyone. Intermittent fasting is not suitable for everyone, including pregnant or breastfeeding women, people with a history of eating disorders, and people with certain medical conditions such as diabetes. It is always a good idea to talk to your doctor before starting any new diet or lifestyle change, including intermittent fasting. They can help you determine if intermittent fasting is right for you and can advise you on how to do it safely. By being aware of the potential risks and considerations and consulting with your healthcare provider, you can approach intermittent fasting safely and maximize its potential benefits. Intermittent fasting is a powerful dietary strategy that offers a wide array of health benefits, ranging from weight loss and improved metabolic health to enhanced brain function and potential disease prevention. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach, and the best method varies depending on individual preferences and lifestyles. If you're considering intermittent fasting, it's crucial to consult your healthcare provider to ensure it aligns with your health status and goals. They can guide you on the most suitable method and address any concerns you may have. Remember, intermittent fasting is not a magic bullet, but rather a tool that, when used responsibly and in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle, can potentially lead to transformative health outcomes. By understanding the science behind it, choosing the right method, and prioritizing your well-being, you can unlock the power of intermittent fasting and embark on a journey toward a healthier, more vibrant you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on health and wellness.